So what do you think of when I say the word tax preparer or CPA or accountant? Other than, the old white dude with the green visor and the big glasses and the pocket protector, that's my favorite, right? Most of you guys probably think of H&R Block or Jackson Hewitt or any of those other, maybe TurboTax, right? You think of these accountants who you take all of your tax documents to, right, once a year. They take them, they complete your return, they send you your return, they send you a bill, you e-sign, they file, you pay your tax bill, you pay your prep bill, and you go on your merry way for 11 months till you have to do it all again next year. Or what about those tax preparers who you try to call in June or July because you want to purchase a house or sell a house or do something that you know is gonna have tax consequences, but you have called that CPA or that accountant for 3 weeks and heard nothing back? So what I just described, you guys, that's a tax preparer. And there are some good tax preparers out there, but they're everywhere. They're a dime a dozen and they are everywhere. To find someone to prepare your tax return, even a good one, you can find in a lot of places. But what I think every person out there needs is a tax advisor. So what do you think now when I say tax advisor or tax strategist or tax coach? So most of you will probably guess, well, someone to save me money on my taxes, right? You're right. But the thing you don't answer, or you might not be able to answer, is how. How do they save money on taxes? And I'll go on to bet that many of you out there probably have never actually sat down with a good quality tax strategist to figure out exactly what they can do and how they can help you. So let's change that, shall we? I'm Bree Beers, as you know, but what you don't know is that I am a certified tax coach. Being a certified tax coach, that means that I have gone through some intensive training to learn all the Jedi secrets on how to save taxes for my clients. Okay, so they aren't necessarily Jedi secrets, but the IRS code is written so complex and in a language so hard to comprehend that Yoda probably doesn't even understand it. The US tax code is written in a way where it provides rules and loopholes for certain taxpayers. Who are those certain taxpayers? Business owners and investors. So let's start with business owners. Okay, whether you're a gig worker, an independent contractor, an S-corp owner, a single member LLC, a partner in a partnership, the owner of a C corporation, all of those things, that makes you a business owner. And as a business owner, I am so positive that you are missing deductions and credits that you are qualified for that are causing you to leave thousands of dollars on the table every single year. Same goes for investors. An investor is someone who owns real estate, owns rental properties. Maybe you are a partner in a partnership, or you have certain ownership in stocks or C corps. All of those activities make you an investor, and there are IRS loopholes to help you as well. If any of these words or phrases describe you and you're not working with a tax advisor, then chances are you're paying thousands of dollars too much in taxes and you're overpaying the government. And a tax advisor can help you pay less in taxes year over year in a legal way. So now you're asking, what if I'm not a business owner or an investor? Well then, even if you're not a business owner or an investor yet, you can work with a certified tax coach who can help you explore that avenue and figure out how to get you into those games, you guys, and how to get you into those activities that can save you tax dollars. So do any of you ever wonder how, especially recently, all of these billionaires are paying less in taxes than those of us that make less than $100,000 a year? Well, some of these guys are totally scamming the system and probably should be in jail. Many of them, you guys, are saving all that money legally. They're taking advantage of the rules and the loopholes. And most of them have an accountant or an entire accounting team working for them to take advantage of these tax laws and tax loopholes. Think about this. So lots of them might have, let's say you have a tax accountant on your staff, because you're a bigwig, right, that you pay $100,000 to, but that tax accountant is saving you hundreds of thousands of dollars in taxes every year. Good rate of return, right? spend $100,000 to save $500,000. Pretty good, right? So what are these tax advisors, tax strategists, certified tax coaches actually doing for their clients? They're analyzing their clients' income streams, their businesses, their investments, and they're finding ways to shift some income and move items, move pieces around to minimize their tax liability. So what exactly do I mean? Certified tax coaches can help you change entity types, create new entities, shift income either to other entities or other family members, and even help you to create new revenue streams. Overall, you guys, you're gonna just see more money in your pocket when you work with a certified tax coach. If you're curious to know more about what it's like to work with a certified tax coach, click on the link in the description and you can actually schedule your own free advanced tax reduction strategy call with us. If you guys have any questions about what we talked about today, go ahead and leave a comment below. And then I highly suggest you head on over to our Facebook community, Money, Taxes, and Finance for Small Business, because these topics are what we talk about on a regular basis and have live trainings on every week. You can access that group by clicking the link in the description box. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and while you're loving on me hard, go ahead and hit the notification bell so you never miss a future video.